Today I am testing out my homemade trolling motor attachment, I guess, for a stand-up paddleboard. If you clicked on this video, I'm guessing that's what you came to see. So let me show you real quick what I did. A board here with a 2x4 here with some braces. The battery here attached to the board with bungee cords. I'm gonna put some 2x4s here with some fishing rod holders, just like that. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm gonna go very fast, if it's gonna even be worth it, but you guys are about to find out. Smallmouth bass today. Let's catch some fish. If you have a paddleboard and you don't have an automatic pump, this is a must-have. Saves so much time and energy mostly. This thing cruises. I've had this idea for a little while. Fishing off the paddleboard is something I like to do. That's just a pain to get anywhere. It takes forever. We're gonna get some waves here from this boat. Hope you don't get seasick. First fish of the day. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Maybe try some topwater even. Not sure what it is the bass love about this. It's got the rooster tail on the end there. It's just called a popper. I've always done really well with these on topwater. I've never done well with frogs or any other type of topwater fishing. Topwater bass. Oh, there's one way to release them. This one ain't too bad. This is too cool. I'm gonna call it a day. I like the setup. I'm gonna try and get into some bigger fish here soon, so stay tuned. If you see anything that you think I should improve on my paddleboard, please comment below because I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, give me another shot. Check out one of my other videos. If you did, give it a like, please. I will talk to you guys soon.